left here, there's a little bridge with a stream going past it. Kind of cool. Hard to believe there's still water, but I guess it's not summertime. Kind of a neat area. There's the creek as it runs down. These look like aspen trees. And then it runs across this little creek. And down into here. These look like quaking aspen trees. It's kind of neat. Some really cool tiny ripple flowers. I'm not sure if you could see it, but there's little fluff in the air. It's flying by. Okay, I had to stop. I've been going up this road. It turned into dirt. Kind of going in and out of the forest. But the view is just, I had to stop for the view. It's just amazing. Wow, it just keeps going and going. It goes over to the forest on that side. Pretty cool. There's the road I came up. And that's the valley I came up through. This long, winding valley. And just keep going. Okay, now that we've enjoyed the view, I think it's time to head on out. Area. It's got a little rocks and trees. Well, I don't know if I should keep going or turn around. It's getting late. Gotta get back to the car. I know this road goes quite a ways. Probably best if I turned around and headed back to the car. Sure is nice around here. It's like a pine forest. Alright, let's head back to the truck. Heading down. Well, I did it again. I think this is the 4th or 5th time I've fallen today. I lost count. I'm not doing too good today. Lucky I haven't hurt myself, but I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, that's for sure. All right, time to pick the bike up. Well, I got it up. It's a flat area here. Oh, it's heavy. All right. Whew. I don't know what's going on today. Ah. Well, looks okay. Just gotta head on back. Sheesh. All right, let's do it. Make sure this is still free. Looks like that got bent. Oh, there's a rock in there. There we go. Rock stuck in there. Still working. Throttle works. Good thing for these BarkBusters. It protects everything when I fall. Put this up a little. Full of sand. All right. Start her up. All right, head on out. Oh, I guess I'll keep it on. If I fall again, at least I'll get a record of it. Oh, shirt's all dirty. Whew. Okay. There we go. I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay. Ah. Like I said, I think that's the 4th. Time I've fallen today. Not a good day. Well, at least I didn't get hurt. I guess that's a good day. Wow. I had to stop and look at these. You probably can't see them very well, but they're really weird round purple pods. I think it's what's left over after the purple flowers fall off. There's a whole little bed of them here. Huh. You can see them better down here. Pretty wild. Pavement. somebody's gonna fly around the corner. All right, so here's a snake. It's a rattlesnake. And away he goes. That was pretty cool. He wasn't moving very fast because he's probably cold. Back to where the little river was. Just a couple minutes. A little campground over here. And I'm going to go really slow across the river because I don't want to slip and slide. It's full of algae and water. So I'm going to go real slow. Well, I made it back to the car. I took the road most of the way. I didn't even want to go on the dirt anymore. I didn't want to fall again. But I gotta start packing up and heading home. All right.